Friend, ikaw ba ay negosyante? Ikaw ba ay nag-online selling? Ikaw ba ay nasa direct selling? Ikaw ba ay nasa real estate or nasa life insurance? At minsan, nafe-feel mo na wala ka talagang benta at gusto mo nang sumuko. Nako, timing na timing. Huwag mo na, friendship. Kung gusto mo malaman o nilalaman ang video na ito, tune in, don't tune out.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is kita ng inyong pambansang wealth coach. Thank you so much for patronizing this channel. Ito po yung channel ng mga iponaryo at ng mga payaman. If you haven't really subscribed on this channel, please do subscribe on this channel and also don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button. So ngayon sa video na ito, ang pag-uusapan po natin, aalamin natin kung bakit quitting is not an option for you right now, especially if you are an entrepreneur, a wannabe entrepreneur who wants to succeed in business. Alam mo, lahat po tayo, lahat po tayo, pag dumadaan tayo sa failure and pain and rejection, ang unang instinct po natin, I don't think this is for me. What am I doing? I'm just wasting my time. I think I should stop and quit. However, always remember this statement, quitters never win and winners never quit. Do you agree? So if you do agree, type mo muna agree sa comment section na ito. Kaya nga, I would like to share with you, okay, 6 reasons bakit di ka dapat sumuko, especially if you want to become a successful entrepreneur. Okay, reason number 1 why you should not quit, because entrepreneurs understand the risk involved. Alam nila na lahat ng negosyo ay may risk. Bago naman pumasok yan eh. Alam naman niya na marireject siya. Alam naman na pwedeng mag-fail. Di ba, nagigets nyo? Wala pa ako nakitang negosyante na nagwagi na hindi nahirapan. Name me one successful business person who never went through trials and challenges. Come on! Wala. Di ba? Kung gusto nyo, lalo na kung ikaw ay first time na nagnenegosyo and you are a wannabe entrepreneur, gusto mo yung wala kang ginagawa, pagkatapos niyang kikita ka, tapos kuya-kuy ka lang, alam mo, kalokohan yan. There's no shortcut to success. There's no what we call as elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. And when you take the stairs, when you run up the stairs, sometimes you stumble. And when you stumble, you will fall. And once you fall, you will get hurt. Kaya nga, ask yourself, ito lang pag ikaw ay tunay na entrepreneur, let me teach you this. You got to learn how to weigh yung risk versus rewards. Let me repeat, risk versus rewards. Okay, this is the principle. If the rewards outweighs risk, mas magandang kita kaysa sa risk, go mo. If the risk is higher than the reward, you stop and think. Isip nga muna. So how do you think, how do you process kung talaga itutuloy ko pa talaga to? Ask yourself this important question to know if it's worth taking the risk. Is it reversible? When you say reversible, just in case na magkamali ka, makakabawi ka ba? Halimbawa, wannabe entrepreneur ka, sinasabi mo, gusto ko mag-invest ng 10,000 pesos to start a business. Just in case na mawala yung 10K, makaka-recover ka pa ba? Of course, pwede kang magtrabaho, tapos pwede ka kumuha ng 10K ulit, tapos makaka-recover ka. What if kung yung invest mo 100K or 1 million? Oh, medyo mahirap-hirap yan. So that's number 1. So evaluate mo yan. Number 2, alam mo why you shouldn't quit? Because entrepreneurs are prepared to face the risk. Ang isang tunay na negosyante ay handang lumaban sa panahon ng krisis. As a matter of fact, they love challenges. The more challenging, the bigger the opportunity. Para sa amin, talagang yung mga, lalo na in this pandemic, talagang challenging talaga magnegosyo. Pero ang saya, ang sarap, kasi ang daming opportunities. Kaya nga ito yung gagawin mo para matulungan ko kayo, para hindi kayo mag-quit. Gusto ko isulat mo lahat ng mga possible challenges or the challenges that you are facing right now. I want you to get a piece of paper. As a matter of fact, this is already a coaching session, my friend. Libre na po ito. Kaya nga pagka minis mo tong session na ito, sayang na sayang. Sulat mo yung possible challenges. Okay? Like for example, wala akong benta, wala akong kliyente, bumaba na yung benta ko. Sulat mo. And then next, write down the possible solutions. I want you to write down the possible solutions to every problem that you are going to write. That's the second step. Third reason why you shouldn't quit, because entrepreneurs, real entrepreneurs, are willing to embrace change. Kahit mahirap, they understand the value of keeping up with challenging times and changing times. They are willing to move out of their comfort zones. Yun ang importante. Yun nga, ang tanong ko, willing ka ba mag-embrace ng change? Willing ka ba magbago? Or gusto mo pa rin, sana bumalik yung dati. Sana bumalik na tayo sa normal. Okay, we hope for the best, but we expect for the worst. What if kung hindi pa bumalik? What if it will take another 2 years or 5 years? Are you willing to wait? Or, eto yung tanong, are you willing right now to change? Are you willing right now to step out of your comfort zone? Diba? In order for you to be able to think of new ideas para makalabang ka. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, syempre babatiin muna natin si Lea P at the same time si Belenda Arbasto na nanonood po sa Bohol at nagpapabati. Let's go to number 4 idea. Number 4, bakit ka hindi dapat mag-quit? Because entrepreneurs are willing to adjust and adapt. Yes. Our entrepreneurs are willing to do in their power to regain their capital and to earn profit. Kung may mamula, babawiin ko yan, di ba? They are willing to do whatever it takes to survive. Nako, so anong gagawin mo in order for you to adjust and adapt? Try new things. Experiment ka. Mag-experiment. Try mo. Wala namang mawawala, di ba? Ito lang pakiusap ko. Habang nagta-trial and error ka, focus ka. Keep it simple. Keep things that works and eliminate the thing that does not work. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, kung bakit di nag-work ang negosyo mo, minsan we try to overcomplicate things. I can still remember when we started yung restaurant namin ng work from home. Okay. Nag-umpisa siya malakas, tapos bigla na lang sa gitna, humina na. Diba? Parang nagsawa na yung tao eh. Tapos nag-iisip kami ng pamamaraan, paano namin palakasin. And then actually isang resto coach by the name of Romel Nang. Si Romel Nang, binigyan na kami ng advice. Sabi niya, alam mo sa lahat ng mga restaurant, okay, mga pagkain, meron yan tinatawag ng top 20. Sa 10 binibenta mo, 2 lang talaga ang malakas bumenta. Doon ka muna mag-focus. Tapos nung chinek out namin, yung champion product talaga namin, sabi niya parang champion product, hero product, yung Sichuan chicken, yung salt and pepper spare rib. At the same time, yung spinach soup. So, yung top 3 na selling. Sabi, doon ka muna mag-focus. Alam mo, nag-experiment kami. Doon namin finocus yung marketing effort namin. And you know what happened? It worked. And then yung mga slow selling namin ng mga meals, hindi na namin pinopromote. Nagigets yung mga friendship. Kaya nga tatanungin kita, ikaw ba, willing ka bang sumubok? Willing ka ba mag-experiment? Check what works and remove the things that does not work. I hope it's making sense at natututo kayo. And last but not the least, alam mo bakit hindi ka dapat mag-quit? Because number 5, entrepreneurs are willing to pay to learn new things. Yes. Alam mo, that's one thing that I've learned, no? Na instead of committing the mistake, I would rather hire someone who's really good at it and then learn from them and then pay them so that it will work. That's what happened. Basically, I talked to Coach Romel. He's an expert on that, diba? And I even sa mga social media ko, lahat ng ginagawa ko, I hire expert. Akala kasi ng tao magaling po ko. Hindi po. Kasi yung mga hinahire kong consultants lang po ang magagaling. Anong nina-learn ko? I try to learn new skills. I try to learn new information. You know what I do? I still read books. I still attend online courses. Ay, grabe. Akala nyo lang kasi magaling po ako. Hindi, magaling lang ako kasi nakikinig rin ako sa mga magagaling na tao. And this is what I realized in challenging times. Kaya nga mga friendship, bago ka pang mag-quit, no? I just discovered, alam mo kailangan mong gawin? You just need to be open for change to learn new things. Diba? Because if you keep on doing the same thing over and over again and expect a different result, you're called an insane person. O buang talaga. Kaya nga alam mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo, whether it's in business, in your career, in your sales, no, in your profession, you just need to find the sweet spot. And I'm really so thankful and grateful every time na when I'm facing challenging, hinahanap ko lang talaga, nagtutweak ako, nag-a-adjust ako, nagtatanong ako, kumukuha ako ng mga coaches, di ba, nag-aaral ako ulit to find the sweet spot. And you know what? If you found your sweet spot, it will help you double, triple, quadruple your sales. And maybe some of you are asking, Chinky, you are so blessed na marami kang marireach out ng mga coaches and mentors who can help you. Paano naman kami? Kaya nga nandito na nga ako. I am here. Guys, seriously, ikaw, kung nahihirapan ka sa negosyo mo, nahihirapan ka sa career mo, sa sales mo, let me help you to find your sweet spot. So my question to you is this: do you want me to help you to find your sweet spot? And if you say, yes, Chinky, paano mo ako matutulungan? First, ang kailangan mo gawin is I highly recommend that you go through my online courses. Yung sa online courses ko, I have an online course called chinktv.com. It's a Netflix of financial education. Nandun na po lahat on how to start your own business, how to handle your money, save your money, grow your money, budget your money, and protect your money. Kung gusto mo matuto, nandun na po lahat. So once you are enrolled, okay, the next thing that you need to do, kung may question ka pa, i-messenger mo lang ako sa Instagram or i-messenger mo ako sa Facebook, okay, Facebook messages. And I personally read all my Instagram messages and yung mga PM ko, ang mga DM ko sa Messenger. And I will be glad to help you find your what? Your sweet spot. Pero alam nyo, ang mangyayari niyan, 99% Karamihan po ng mga estudyante ko po, hindi na rin umaabot sa akin. Bakit? Once they enrolled at chinktv.com, hindi na sila umaabot. Kasi yung lahat ng tanong nila, nasasagot na sa courses po. So this is what I want you to do right now. If you are really serious, don't ever quit. Kailangan mo lang ng new input. Kailangan mo lang ng coaching. Kailangan mo lang ng mentoring. Go to chinktv.com right now and enroll sa tinatawag naming All Access. All Access. So if you want to know more about this and you want to be part, just type the word called All Access in your comment section. Or if not, what you can do is just click on the link on top or click on the link below. Okay. I hope that I have enlightened you today. Huwag ka muna mag-quit, friend. Sayang. Nag-umpisa ka na eh. Tapusin natin. Hanapin natin kung ano ba talaga ang problema. This is Chinkitan saying to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Always. Think positive. Thank you for watching. If you want to keep on growing and to stay inspired, subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified. Always think positive.